square body to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Popular body style, 1977 Chevrolet Silverado C10. Short box, regular cab. 350 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Vintage AC, take a look at the grille insert. Chrome bumper, headlight surrounds. White with dark charcoal interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed of this truck, all at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Chevrolet wheel covers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. There's a few little chips along the edge that have been touched up, but overall paint shows well. We also have the paint protector in front of the rear wheel well to help to keep down on the rock chips. Bench seat, cloth interior. Nice custom job done in this interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll show you that a little closer, go through a few more things on this. Sliding rear glass, spray and bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Looks like a new chrome rear bumper, very nice shape. Dual exhaust, as you can see. This does have a copy of the original build sheet that will go with it, also the owner's manual, and then there is a trim piece you're going to see in the still pictures too, and I believe it was the trim piece for the bottom of a tailgate. Be able to check that out in the still pictures, and once again, the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, if you like old square body trucks, maybe sports cars, specialty cars, muscle cars, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be able to see the different vehicles that we get in throughout the year. Quite a few each day will be posted to our website, so you never know what you may see. So go ahead and subscribe. A little bit of corrosion in the wheel well there, and also in that spot I pointed out on the passenger side, but the front does have that paint protector on there again, help keep down rock chips. One of those cars, or trucks I should say, have some fun. Drive it, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Good sounding truck. And like I said, 350 with an automatic with overdrive transmission. A few modern amenities in here too. As you can see, power windows. It also has a key fob that will lock the doors from the key fob itself. If you open this door with the key, it will also pop the key fob on the other side. So nice setup with the locks, and of course, like I said, the power windows, tilt column. Nicely done interior too, with that dark charcoal fabric. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo system too, does work. All right, and as you can see here, we do have the vintage AC system. This is going to turn it on. You can see stereo's also working. We're going to turn the AC on, slide it over to cold, lights up. Come back here, turn everything back off. Nicely done dash. It's a fabric dash it's tastefully done. It's got a nice look to it. I did notice there's a couple toggle switches right under here. If I can get over and show you these here, those are for strobes in the visors. So if you flipped it down and I hit one of those, it's a strobe. I'm not going to recommend going down the road like that. Well, the previous owner used it at car shows, what have you. There's also one in the back across here, but again, not using that for driving down the road. We would not condone that here at Unique, especially in Classics. That headliner too, kind of a custom headliner with the flame inlay, that's not coming down. That's supposed to be the way it is, kind of a flame inlay in there. Cool look. closes nicely. A nice sounding truck. This thing runs smooth, has a great sound to it. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. There's one little dinger here I noticed too. So is it perfect? No, but does it still show very nice? Be a fun truck. Let's check out this hood. Under the hood, one other thing I want to mention. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Looks good, and this is a good looking engine bay. As you can see, polished intake manifold. Pedal block, of course, and then also chrome for valve covers, air cleaner cover, alternator, headers on it too, as you can see, HEI ignition, and then power steering, power brakes, AC. It's actually a 1979 vintage 350. And then that automatic with overdrive transmission. So this thing's got some nice equipment on it, runs good, sounds good. And remember, we're going to take it down the road, show you how it drives out. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, short box. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 Chevrolet C10. Very smooth running truck. Nice stance to it. Custom cloth interior. We've got cloth on the dash. Matching cloth for the seats and door panels. Looking good. The headliner even the same color with a flame pattern inserted into it. Sort of a glow flame effect on your headliner. Nice acceleration in this Chevy truck. Gauge is all working well. I have not seen the temperature gauge come up. That one may not. Volts are showing over 14, oil pressure at 60, and the fuel gauge is at half. Vintage air setup. Blower motor does work well on that. This truck is set up with some strobe lights for the rear, front, and visors, and there's switches under the dash for that. Kenwood radio in the dash. That works well. Cup holder and storage. Looks custom made right here. Speakers in the door panels. Nice smooth ride out of this truck. One of those trucks with great visibility. You sit up nice and high even in a low truck. This truck corners well. Doesn't lean much. Very crisp throttle response in this truck. Nice rumble when you use that kick down. That is functioning well on this automatic transmission. Column shifted automatic, so it is easy to drive. Just a very nice condition truck. Learn more about it. See all the pictures of that chromed out engine underneath and anything else you're looking for at uniqueclassiccars.com.